KBI ist keinen Angelus Severisi, red fish and the lost treasure. In the depths of the vast ocean lived a brave fish named Red Fish. Red Fish loved playing games with friends and exploring new places. One day, he found an old map hidden among the seaweed. The map marked an X where a lost treasure was supposed to be. Red Fish showed the map to his friends, Blue Crab and Yellow Seahorse. "Let's find this treasure," he said. The three friends set off, following the map. They first passed over the coral reefs. They had a lot of fun swimming among the colorful fish and seashells. Next, they came to a dark cave. Red Fish bravely led the way and guided his friends with a light. Inside the cave, they found glowing pearls and old sailor hats. But the treasure was still nowhere to be found. Deeper in the cave, they encountered a big door. On the door was written, "Friendship Door." To open it, the three friends joined hands, and the door opened. Inside, they found a chest full of golden fish statues and sparkling jewels. But the greatest treasure was their friendship. Red Fish, Blue Crab, and Yellow Seahorse returned with the joy of having found the treasure. In the ocean, everyone knew that friendship and adventures were the greatest treasure of all.